Without the rider, Benjamin M. Abe will climb back on top of horse Dragon May as it centers stall number 4. Do hurry on to buy your second pick 5 tickets. Class division number 3. 1,300 meters is the distance. All set, ready to race. Race number 9. Standby na po yung dispatch. Standby na po yung dispatch. Race number 9, class division number 3. The rope. Early lead is taken by Benissimo by the rail. Divisoria on the outside. And with 3.5 lengths racing in third, Pure Joy. A length and a half back racing in fourth, Inner Class. And Dragon May is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Benissimo by about a length and a half. Divisoria in second. Pure Joy racing in third and Inner Class. And nearing the part turn, it's Benissimo in the lead. It's Benissimo in the lead by 4.5 lengths. Divisoria in second. Pure Joy racing in third. And at the last bend for home, it's still Benissimo in the lead. And at the top of the stretch, it's Benissimo in the lead, Pure Joy in second. It's still Benissimo in the lead, Pure Joy by the rail. It's still Benissimo on the outside, Pure Joy by the rail, Inner Class. It's still Benissimo, Pure Joy, Inner Class moving up on the outside. And finally, it's a cinch for Benissimo, Inner Class, Pure Joy, Dragon May, and Divisoria.